there has never been a better time in the history of pianos other than maybe like the 1940s and 50s to become a piano tuner. And actually back then, there were so many piano tuners and so many pianos in the 1960s. They were selling 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pianos every Sunday, every weekend at the local piano shop. But now there are tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of pianos around the world, and especially everywhere in the United States, that don't have anybody to tune them. There is a real shortage of actual piano tuners. If you think about it, you can go on any street corner any day of the week and see 3 or 4 plumber vehicles driving around, right? There's a lot of plumbers. Of course, there's a lot of plumbing. But there's also hundreds of thousands of pianos, and you can find in a city maybe one piano tuner. And many of the piano tuners that I know are well up into their 70s. Okay, so it is really a great time to enter the trade. Why? Because there are a lot of pianos, there are not very many piano tuners. And if you think about it, as a business owner, who wants to have a ton of competition all the time? Who wants to be bidding on jobs all the time against 5 or 10 people? Nobody, and I never ever do that as a piano tuner. I go in, I tune pianos, I write the bill, I cash the check. I teach you how to do this in Apex Piano Mentorship. It's at apexpiano.com. Click the link in the description. Whether you're 20 years old, 15 years old, 50 years old, 60 years old, looking for something to do, or like right now, if you're on lockdown and the government is telling you, hey, you got to do all these medical things, or you can't come to work, or you're losing your job and you're looking for a different career, right now there are so many reasons why piano tuning is a great option. Also, training is very inexpensive through my online mentorship and tools. I do everything I do. I make all the money I make out of this toolbox right here. This very simple toolbox. And you can also check the link in the description. I just taught a bunch of videos on this TuneLab app. So really very low entry in terms of tools, okay? You can make a lot of money out of that little toolbox just by tuning pianos, and you don't have a ton of competition. So if this sounds good to you, if you sound like, I'm ready for a change, I like it. You don't have to be a piano player. You don't have to have any prior experience. I'm going to teach you everything in my online mentorship at apexpiano.com. So join me there. Shoot me a text. Shoot me a message if you have any questions. Of course, I will answer them. God bless you. I'll see you on the inside.